Hello, my dears. Today I'm trying the viral 2 ingredient cheesecake that everyone in my feed is talking about. So I couldn't stay apart and I decided to try it on. So you only need 2 ingredients. No baking, no complicated steps, no special ingredients. Very fast and very easy. I try to fit as many biscuits as possible, but if you don't like it or if you like your cheesecake to be more creamy, just use less than that. After that, you have to let your cheesecake refrigerate for about the 12 hours, I think, and couldn't wait for the next day to try this cheesecake on. Honestly, it wasn't something wow. I mean, it's simple, very ordinary, and the taste is exactly what I expected. It tastes like biscuits mixed with yogurt. I don't know what's the hype. I mean, I like it. It's good. You're gonna like it if you try it. Maybe if you add some banana or fruits, I don't know, it might be taste better. But my personal opinion is it's good, but nothing more, and nothing less, of course. But if you want a quick, easy, and light dessert, this can still be a nice option to try at home. I recommend you, but I tell you not to make very high expectation about this dessert. So bye bye and see you next time.